Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively daily step by step. Start by creating a daily plan with 90-minute blocks and clear goals for each session. Use active recall and spaced repetition. Test yourself with practice questions and flashcards. Remove distractions, set a dedicated study area, and use a 25-minute focus, 5-minute break rhythm. Prioritize sleep, hydration, and short exercise to keep focus sharp. Set a consistent daily schedule that matches your natural energy cycles and commitments. Allocate 25-minute sprints for quick tasks and 60 to 90-minute blocks for deep work. Build review sessions into the plan with spaced intervals to strengthen recall. Use mini goals and short rewards to keep momentum. Track progress each day and adapt time blocks based on what helps you retain information best. Focus on active learning techniques that force recall and application rather than passive review. Practice with self-tests, flashcards, and mixed problem sets to mimic exam conditions and identify weak spots. Teach concepts aloud or summarize material in your own words to solidify connections. Rotate subjects to prevent interference and use example problems to apply ideas. Regularly analyze mistakes and adjust study methods accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.